Earlier this week, it was officially announced that Jon Kay would be replacing Dan Walker as a regular host on BBC Breakfast. Dan decided to leave the BBC show after 6 years to pursue other opportunities. It was later confirmed the Strictly star had secured a job at Channel 5. Jon was due to officially start his role on Monday alongside Sally Nugent. However, on Sunday evening, the BBC host took to Twitter to share the news that had been forced to pull out of Monday's show. In view of his 45,000 followers, Jon explained he'd contracted coronavirus. Sharing a snap of a positive COVID test, he wrote, "Finally got me gutted not to be able to start the new job officially at Breakfast on Monday. Sick," he concluded. "I guess working from home isn't really an option at BCF Rediani." Jon's colleagues and fans were quick to reply, with many wishing the presenter well. Dan Walker was the first to reply, commenting, "Oh no Jon. Hope you feel okay." Morning Live presenter Gethin Jones spent, "Hope you're okay JK." Sick, while Rachel Burton simply tweeted, "Oh dear." Alison Elliott went on to say, "Oh no. Hope you are better very soon." Jon's follower Penny added, "You're not alone. I tested positive on Thursday, my birthday, and my husband and son on Saturday, and we're all feeling so many cases about at the moment, it's scary. Hope you don't get the symptoms we have, it's not nice." Sick. On Friday, the BBC confirmed Jon would be joining Sally on the red sofa. Jon also excitedly announced the news on social media, along with the caption, "Reshuffle alert." He wrote, "So delighted to share this news and join the outstanding at Breakfast team full-time. An absolute honour to front the UK's #1 morning show with my mates at Sally Nugent at TV Naga 01 and Charlie, and his new cat." Dan was one of the first to wish his replacement well, telling his followers it was brilliant news. "Great bloke, top presenter and much loved by the #Breakfast team," Dan tweeted. In turn, Jon replied, "Thanks so much, Dan. You set a very high bar, my friend." BBC Breakfast airs weekdays at 6 a.m. on BBC.